In this video today, I'll be showing you how to reset the oil reminder light on a Dodge Caravan. This is a 2014. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how to quickly reset the oil reminder light here on this 2014 Dodge Caravan. And to go ahead and reset this light, all you need to do is go ahead and turn off your ignition. Put the key back in the ignition and pump the pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Release. And that is it. Your oil light is now reset. I hope you enjoyed the video here on the reset. And if you guys want to watch the full oil change and also the hassle-free oil change where you can actually just suck the oil out, I'll leave you guys links in the video description box down below. And make it a great day. Thanks.